Are you trying to do some pagination with the SDKs? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today you'll be answering Josh's question. Josh asked, I'm trying to do some pagination with limit and skip, but do I have to count prior to use those methods? Hi Josh, thank you so much for your question. And well, you can count so you know exactly how many records you can skip for every page. But if you don't want to call the count method, you can always run your query with the dot with count method. This will append the count to your query so you know doing just one query how many records you have and how many pages you can build with it. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and I hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.